His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu escorting his security guard at home. He is graduating today at KIU, or call it Kampala International University, in 28th graduation. So it's today that they are graduating, and the president has escorted him himself. The president has escorted his security guard after the graduation ceremony. His guard at home is called Higenyi Sherif. He is graduating today here at KIU, and the president himself has escorted him to the graduation ceremony. This campus is graduating today at 28th graduation. Yeah, Mr. President is escorting his the president escorted by the mother of Sheriff Higenyi. Higenyi is graduating his 28th graduation, and
Come to pass.